Join me as I challenge you to manifest positivity through this guided gratitude meditation. Can really shift your mindset in just one session. Today, we're talking about the power of gratitude meditation and how it can be a total game changer in manifesting positivity in our lives. By cultivating a sense of gratitude, we can start to shift our focus away from negativity and towards the abundance and beauty that already exists in our world. Have you ever felt like your mind is constantly flooded with negative thoughts? You're not alone. It's easy to get caught up in worry, fear, and anxiety. But the problem is that this type of thinking can actually hold us back from achieving our goals and living our best lives. When we're stuck in negative thinking patterns, it's hard to feel motivated, inspired, or excited about the future. We start to feel like we're stuck in a rut, and it's hard to know how to escape. Negative thinking can be really limiting, and it's something that I think we all struggle with from time to time. But here's the thing. We have the power to change our thoughts and change our lives. By making a conscious effort to focus on the good things in our lives, we can start to break free from negative thinking patterns and cultivate a more positive, optimistic mindset. But why does gratitude meditation work so well in helping us shift our focus away from negativity? For one thing, it helps us to focus on the present moment rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. When we're present, we're able to see the beauty and wonder that's already in our lives, and that can be incredibly empowering. Gratitude meditation also helps us to rewire our brains to focus on the positive aspects of our lives rather than the negative. By regularly practicing gratitude, we can start to see the world in a more positive light, and that can have a profound impact on our overall well-being. Let's take a few minutes to experience the power of gratitude meditation for ourselves. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel the breath moving in and out of your body, and allow yourself to relax. As you breathe, bring to mind 3 things that you're grateful for today. They can be big things or small things. It doesn't matter. Just allow yourself to fully feel the gratitude and appreciation for these things in your life. Take a moment to visualize each of these things in your mind's eye, and allow the feelings of gratitude to sink deeply into your heart. As you continue to breathe, allow yourself to feel more and more relaxed, more and more at peace. Know that you're exactly where you need to be, and that everything is working out for your highest good. Take one final deep breath in, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you're feeling before we move on. By incorporating gratitude meditation into our daily lives, we can start to manifest more positivity, more joy, and more abundance. We can start to live the lives we've always dreamed of, and it all starts with just a few simple moments of gratitude each day. Thanks for joining me on this journey today. If you gave this meditation a try, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. And if you're looking for more mindfulness techniques to enhance your daily life, be sure to check out my next video.